All right, another one. Remember when on Her Majesty's Secret Service, when Bond was in the it was the gear room for the tram or whatever you call it, that goes on the big wire, to carry people, the people mover. He was locked away in the gear room, and the gears were gigantic gears, and there's the gears here in No Time to Die. So they link so many different things up to give you each movie, to link the two movies together. And of course, that's Ghost in the Machine symbology right there. The iron mixing with clay. The Ghost in the Machine. They're basically showing you the machine, but it's what they were showing you in both movies.